How to thread your Bernina 325. Aw, she's cute. First, take off the spool disc, put the thread on the spool pin, and put the disc back. Hook the thread on the metal hook in the back. Hold it tight like dental floss, hook it on the back, and then guide it down the first slot. Next, bring it down on the right side, loop it under, and then bring it back up. Make sure to catch it in the take-up lever. Swing it from right to left to catch it in the first thread guide. Hook it back to front to catch it in the second thread guide. Thread your needle from front to back. Finally, guide the thread through the slot in the presser foot and bring it to the back of the machine.